This time, Take-san will make a teriyaki chicken and teriyaki spring rice bowl. Cut the thick part of the chicken so that the thickness of the meat is even. Pierce the skin side with a fork to make holes to absorb the seasoning. Sprinkle sake on the meat. Sake will tenderize the meat and remove the smell. Grill the skin side until the surface is crispy, about 7 minutes. Then grill the meat side. After a few minutes of browning, make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar. When the sauce's watery component is gone, it is ready to serve. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool slightly to make the teriyaki easier to cut. Prepare the asparagus for garnish. The surface of asparagus is stringy and tough, so scrape off the surface. Microwave for 2 minutes, and it is ready to serve. Serve with asparagus. Make another dish, spring teriyaki donburi. Place the teriyaki chicken on top of the rice. Prepare some sanzio leaves, Japanese pepper from the garden, and use air pressure to break up the leaf cells. This will fill the bowl with a wonderful aroma of sansho Japanese pepper and remind you of spring. The teriyaki bowl, the spring version, is now ready.
Wow!
If Take-san can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Oops! Oh no!
Thank you very much for your watching.